1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 8.
Yo, what is up, gamers? It's Replica here with the second video where today we're going to play Train Conductor World. So let's start. Hi, I'm Lucy. I'll show. Oh my god, I'm covering her face. Okay, top now. Hi, I'm Lucy. I'll show you how to play. Let's get started in the city of Mon. Wait. Look, Train Conductor World. What do we have to do? Okay, stop that train. Thanks. The track are number 1, 2, and 3. Pull the train into track 3. How do I pull it? Oops. Excellent. Okay, stop a few trains if it gets busy. It's also blue. Okay, I'm getting. Here's a tip. It's difficult to stop a few trains. What was that? Well done. Deliver 12 more trains to unlock your first reward. Now high score is 70. Let's go back to map. Okay, this game is harder than I thought. I thought it was going to be easy, only have to move some trains. Okay, let's go to Mons again. Oh my god, I'm so bad at this. The train is coming from here. Getting a bolt train on it. So I have to stop this train right now. And one more train is coming from there. Let's stop it. Ooh, ooh, why did you went there? This one. Coins and coins, what is that? Nice work, you're a train to unlock your first reward. You're caring about reward, I'm caring about the passengers who are in there. Who told him to go out? They're moving by themselves. Okay, let's try this. I think I can do it and I will do it. Let's get this done. Ready? Go. Okay, which train is coming from where? Now we need to get that train over there. This train right over there. Then what we need to do is we need to get that blue train right over there. And we need this train to go right over there. And this train is going wherever it want to go because it's going in the right way. Good train. You're a good red train. So now the blue wants to go in blue, the blue wants to go in blue, the red wants to go in red. Okay, I'm getting the hang of this. You stop. Now you go, so you can go over there. You stop. Now you go over there. You also go over there. Yes, it's finished. Alright, it's over. Alright. The trains are finished. Finally, it's done. Oh, which box? Which box? I'm gonna go. I didn't touch anything. Swear to God, I didn't touch anything. Okay. New high score, claim, reward. A reward is here. What is a reward? New wooden track tile. Wow. What a reward, you know. Okay, receive a track tile. Now we can expand the rail network. Okay, pull the track tile out of the conveyor to the line the Brugs. It's gonna go there. So now we can go on Brug. Brug. Brugs is now the part of the rail network. And we can go on Brugs. Yay! And just go and play. There are 20 trains? Oh, okay. Oh, this is even harder. Trains, wait, at the edge of the river? Pull the train across the other side. Oh no, this is so bad. This is much bad than I thought. What? How do we do this? Okay, so we can still do it. Which train is coming from there? The blue will go right there, and the other blue will go right over there. And then what? Another train is coming. And that train will go over there. Then that will go on the yellow. And that green is coming. And who's that? It's a yellow, so it will go right over there. Thank you for coming and traveling safe in our thoughts. On a yellow. And you can just move from its place. So we can go on blue. And now we can go on another blue. And it's good. Okay, so we did this level seriously and we won. Let's judge this one. Okay, we got 20 more coins. We need to collect 50. Okay, let's go back to the map. Okay, this is easier now. First I thought it was hard, but when you get help, it's really easy. So let's go to Brugs as well. 8 to go, 8 more trains right now. So, okay, so I got what is that we have to do. We have to go in yellow and red. Then one train will come from there and it will be red. So red will go there and blue. Where will blue go? Oh, blue will go there. What is this color? Yellow. Yellow will go right over there. And red will go right over there. And someone is coming from there. I have no idea which is that. Blue to blue, why not? Red to red, why not? Okay, so we got yellow as well. Now we got another yellow as well. There we go. Is this finished? It's still not finished. Okay, there we go. Another one from there. I don't remember that. Okay, I remember that one now. So another two blue, and there we go. There's another blue, and we're finished. We did it. We did it, guys. We are getting 14 boxes. 39, almost to a prize. What is this? Full star. Yes. We collected. We can collect it. Okay, there are 20 trains on bugs. We got more. And we can claim our reward as well. Okay, so let's go on to the next level. Okay, we got a new wooden track again. Why we keep getting wooden track, I have no idea. But it's still okay with me. Because we can go to, now where will we go? We will go to somewhere, no, not over here. Just keep it over there. Okay, there we go. We will go to, oh man, this will take 2 hours 30 minutes. Brooks is now sending goods to the port. You're earning coins for every delivery. So sit back and let the money roll in. So sit back and let the money roll in. What? Alright. Okay, I'm sitting back, but my face cam will be ruined. The port is full now, so claim your coins. Claim. Yay. Enable notification. No, it's not now. New what? How am I getting this much things right now? So where should I put this? I should put this. No, right over here. Okay, there we go. You can't put it right now. It's going to take 2 hours 31 minutes. What? So we have to do this Brugs, right? Okay, special event. Finish a round in Brugs. Okay, I will. You want to challenge with me? You want to challenge with me? Okay, trains, conductor, roll. Let's do it. Ready? Special event. Finish the round in Brugs. Okay, so red will go over here. Go fast. This much big train. Go on yellow. Go on these so much big trains? Yellow, go on yellow. Okay, there we go. Now from where is the train coming? From where is the train coming? No train is coming. Ooh! How much money did we get? 60! Special event. Finish a round in drugs. Train conductor roll again. Of course, why not? So now there are no more. New wooden track tile. Okay, so where should we put these? I am thinking of here, then right over here. Yep, I knew it. Something was hiding it. My icon was hiding it. Okay, so we got our new road, and I think Moans. Okay, collect 10 stars in one round. Let's do this challenges because it's awesome. Okay, did you notice that a star sits on the top of each train? The star stays there unless the train stops for too long. Okay, thank you. Star, collect stars. Okay, so keep the trains to collect stars. Okay, can you move your words? Okay, if you collect 5 stars, all the trains speed up. How many trains are there? Okay, more stars means more coins and a higher score. How many stars can you collect? Oh, that's so much. You'll never get that. There we go. Go on. Okay, this is already hard. No! Oh, man. In one round, you have to complete this. Play again. Let's play this again. You can do it, I know for sure. Collect 10 stars. You go from there and go. So you'll go from there. Don't. Why did I even think of it? Why did I even think of that? Oh, that didn't make any sense. Okay, so I have to do it right over here. Over there, that's coming from there. Then we need to get it right there. Then a train will come from the yellow part, I think. Yeah, it's coming from the right. You go right over there. You go right over there. Oh, please don't do that. Okay, now it's yellow. Now it's going to be red. Oh, wait. Oh, it didn't touch. Okay, there we go. Now it's on yellow. It didn't touch. That was so close. It didn't. What? The blues are coming from the blues. That didn't make any sense. How would I play it? Okay, ready. Collect 10 stars in 1 round. I'm gonna do this. I'm sure I can. Okay, let the red train go, then you go collect there. Then it'll be like a yellow train will come from down. No, it's from there. Wait, what? What I have to do? Okay, like that. No, please don't crash. Please don't crash. Okay, it didn't. Go there. Yeah, right over there. Then what will happen? Will happen that blue should go there. And what will happen now? Yellow should go there. And red should go there. Okay, blue should go there. And red should come here. No, that was so close. And now. Oh, we still collected 10 stars. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. We collected 10 stars. I have no idea how, but let's claim this. What will we get? New wooden track tile. So we have to make the road all the way from there. Okay, so let me just put my icon up because there's the correct button. Wait, just let me know. We're going to Amsterdam after this. Amsterdam! Yay! Amsterdam will... Okay, let's play this. Finish a round in Amsterdam. We'll get 100 coins from that. It'll be good. I hope... Oh, this game is also full of ads. My last video was also full of ads. Okay, finish a round in Amsterdam. Okay, this is even harder. Where's the green? Oh, the green is over there. The yellow is right over there. Can't touch the shit? Okay, we can touch this. It's red, red to red. Blue to blue. Yellow to yellow. Yellow. Little full town. Yellow. Blue. Blue. Then who's behind him? Blue only. Yellow to yellow only. Yellow go over there. Then it's white. And it's like that. Then it's red. Then it's strong. I didn't saw that. And now, oh, this is so hard. Let's play it again. Let's do it again. Okay, now I know what to do. Is that first green will go like this, then the yellow will go like that. And then what will happen? That the one will come from there. It'll be yellow, and that'll be. No, you should go. Why are you stopping? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I didn't saw the red train. No. One pack. This is so hard. This is hard. So we'll continue Amsterdam tomorrow in the next video. Okay. So select the train. Okay, so can I from here? Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, then please do leave a big fat thumbs up and subscribe. Please subscribe. I want to go on 20 subs, please. Then subscribe and share this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.